think this is your lights and your brake
such
lights.
an amazing hero.
So your lights are off. So then when you hit the brakes,
And a nice guy, and from this area, that's the number one song. I bet that you said Jasmine Thompson's getting
We save serious cash with our progressive home loans and use the money to buy a new boat.
Plastic wading pools for the yard. It's what they say. On the toilet, in your wading pool. That's actually just a minute.
O'Reilly Auto Parts now offers same-day shipping in Phoenix. Simply order the parts you need at O'ReillyAuto.com and set up same-day shipping for checkout. Your job can't wait. We'll deliver you parts right to your doorstep today. O'Reilly Auto Parts. Better parts, better prices every day. Parts stores only. Some restrictions apply. See O'ReillyAuto.com for details.
You said long ones is why I grabbed the other ones. Those ones actually hold the air filter on the bike.
yeah, I thought they were long going all the way to the back.
No, they just hold that cover on right into the plastic underneath though.
Same-day shipping today.